roads and we're driving on the wrong side of the road. Where could we be? We're in France! We made it! So we finally made it to France. We finally did it. We got Ruby on the ferry and we headed on over. And we're going to have a wonderful time. And we'll see where we get to. Oh, hello. Because we have booked absolutely nothing. And we have no idea where we're going. Literally, this is a mystery tour. All we know is we're heading south because we reckon the weather must be better down south than anywhere else. So that's where we're going. And it's beautiful roads like this that we hope to hit. We're staying off the toll roads. We've got over 2 weeks to tour about, so we're in no hurry. So we're going to have a lovely time and we'll see where we get to. It's Vicky and Mr. Grumpy from Campervan Capers, and we are in sunny France. How did we get here? Well, so Bernie packed the van, I was at work, he got it all ready, picked me up from work around about 8 o'clock, got fed, got washed, set back off in the van to the ferry. I fell asleep. Bernie woke me up when we got to the ferry. The ferry was at 4 o'clock in the morning. So slept a couple of hours on the ferry and then we were in France. I then fell asleep again in the van while Bernie was driving, and basically didn't wake up until we arrived in beautiful Champagne region where we are now. We are in the Champagne region of France and it's absolutely glorious. We are currently on a French campsite. It's in the middle of a national park next to a lake. LAC D'ôRIENT, I do believe it's called. Don't get my pronunciation, I'll put the description in on the description. And it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's beautiful and sunny. It's a lovely campsite, it's got all the facilities that you need. A couple of swimming pools, but then the lake's straight across the road from the campsite as well. So, and we've been relaxing and chilling out here for the last couple of days. We'll be moving on tomorrow, we're going further south. Weather's supposed to change over the next couple of days, so might be a little bit stormy, so that'll be interesting. But we'll head south and we'll see where we get to. But in the meantime, we're just relaxing, chilling out in the sunshine, eating some lovely French food and drinking some lovely French wine. Can't ask for more than that, really. So we'll see you later. This is the campsite we're staying in, LAC D'ôRIENT. It's a resort, Kawan resort one, so it's quite a large chain one. It's the prices. We're actually using a out of season camping card, so although standard price at the minute is €24.40, we are only actually paying €17 a night at the moment. And this is our lovely plot. Let me show you where we're staying. Here we go. This is our lovely plot with Ruby. Bernie sat out in the shade because it's very, very hot. The sun is out. And it's gorgeous. We've got a massive plot. This is all ours. Huge. All the way to here. Electric, water. Everything you need, really. Perfect. And we've been here a couple of days and we've absolutely loved it. A little wander around the campsite. That's the loo block. It's massive. Ladies and gents in there and washing up facilities. Difficult to show you in there because it's busy all the time. It's a very busy campsite. I'll see what I can do later. I'll show you some of the facilities on the site. This is a pretty large campsite. With the sanitary block over there. Kids bouncy castle. Kids play areas. Loads of stuff for kids. It's a big restaurant area here where you can get food. And then there's a big outside swimming pool. Okay, big swimming pool area, loads of swimming pools, and a slide for the kids. Perfect. It's a little supermarket. There's also a small inside pool as well. It's a huge place. This is the main gate area. It's all gated. You need a code to get in, so it's all very safe. Good. So this is basically over the road from the campsite. And then you come over the road, and this is what you get on the side of the road from the campsite. Let's go and have a look. A fantastic lake. And that's literally 2 seconds away from the campsite over the road. And this is a reservoir lake. And then you've got a little beach. People canoeing. Paddling, keeping cool. It's a lovely day today. And there's actually 3 lakes in this compound. There's one here, and then there's 2 more further along. And around all the lakes there is a cycling path that goes around all 3 lakes, and it's 45 kilometres long. So if you like and it's all flat, so if you like a bit of cycling, this would be a great place to come. Here we are, look. There's lots of grass around. Lots of benches for you to come and have lunch. And the really fantastic thing about this place is up the top near the main road, even if you don't stay in the campsite or if you just want to come visit, there is multitudes of parking. Absolutely loads of parking, and it is all absolutely free, which is fantastic. Me and Bernie couldn't believe it when we saw it all yesterday. As we walked around the lake, there is parking upon parking upon parking. So you could just come for the day. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Awesome. Okay, we'll head back to the campsite, back to Bernie. What have you made us for lunch today, Bernie? I forgot. Oh, yum. Typical lovely French lunch. Pâté, cheese, fresh baguette, wine, yeah, of course. Yum. We are finally using the awning for what it was meant for. Keeping the sun off rather than the rain. Beautiful French sunshine. Lovely.